In the heart of Delhi, the historic Matka Pir Dargah stands as a symbol of peace, faith, and communal harmony. Associated with Hazrat Abu Bakr Tusi Qalandari, the shrine welcomes devotees from all communities. Echoing with qawwalis, prayers, and spiritual devotion, the Dargah continues to reflect the enduring spirit of Delhi's Ganga-Jamuni tehzeeb and shared cultural heritage.
In the heart of Delhi, the historic Matka Pir Dargah on Mathura Road stands as a symbol of peace, unity, and Ganga-Jamuni tehzeeb. The shrine welcomes people of all faiths, spreading the message of love, compassion, and communal harmony amid the city's fast-paced life.
गंगा जमुनी तहजीब जो है ये सीधा सीधा लोगों को आपस में मिलने का एक कथन है, एक बहुत पुरानी परंपरा है जिससे कि अनेकता में एकता को प्रदर्शित किया जाता है। हिंदुस्तानी ये सभ्यता है।
The name Matka Pir symbolizes simplicity, humility, and devotion, where devotees offer earthen pots as a mark of faith and equality. The shrine's spiritual atmosphere brings together people from different communities and backgrounds in prayer and peace, making it a living symbol of shared humanity in the heart of Delhi.
मेरी बहुत है, इतनी आस्था है, हिंदू मुसलमान कोई मायने नहीं रखता, सिर्फ मजहब मायने रखता।
As evening descends, the soulful qawwalis at Matka Pir Dargah fill the air with devotion, peace, and unity. The glow of lamps and prayers of devotees create a deeply spiritual atmosphere. More than a shrine, Matka Pir spreads a timeless message of love, compassion, and harmony, reminding society that humanity and peace rise above all differences and divisions.